Welcome to Quick Learning. In this video, we will be explaining different SAP transactions like MB51, MB52, CS03, ME5A, COOIS, KSB1, IW31, IW38, IW39 and IP30. So the explanation of these videos will be in detail. Let's start from very first transaction. MB51 transaction is used to display a list of material documents posted in the system. In factory operations, it is used for raw material consumption tracking. It is used for finished goods received, inventory management, loss and scrap monitoring, supplier and quality analysis, and audits and traceability. In raw material consumption, factory managers can see which raw materials were issued to production orders. In finished goods received, it tracks when and how much finished product was received into stock after production. In inventory management, it can monitor material movements, identify stock discrepancies, and it is useful during cycle counts or stock audits. In loss and scrap monitoring, it is used to identify material issued but not converted to finished goods. In supplier and quality analysis, it is used to verify goods receipt against purchase orders. In audits and traceability, it provides a clear trail of all material movements for compliance and internal controls. KSB1 is used to display actual cost line items for cost centers. In factory operations, it is used for cost tracking, various analysis, internal controls, and decision support. In tips and tricks, you should use selection parameters to narrow down searches, combine with KSBP for plan versus actual comparisons, export line items to Excel for deeper analysis. In FAQs, KSB1 is used to display actual cost line items for cost centers. You can use it to monitor and analyze operational costs in factory operations. KSB1 is cost centers actual line items. It is used to display actual postings to cost centers, expenses, allocations and activities. It can analyze where and why costs are incurred. In tips and tricks, always filter by fiscal year/period/cost center. Save layout variants for quick reuse. Use dynamic selections, Shift plus F4 for extra filters. Double click line, jump to FI document FB03, export to Excel for analysis. KSB1 versus KSB5. KSB1 is detailed line items, KSB5 is summary by cost elements. For detailed video about KSB1 utilization, please go to our channel and check our video. ME5A transaction is used to display a list of purchase requisitions. It is useful for monitoring, tracking and analysis. In tips and tricks, apply filters, plant, date, range, material group to narrow down results. Export list to Excel. Use layout variants to save frequently used display settings. In limitations, it can display only transactions. You cannot change PRs directly. Performance may be slow if large data sets are selected without filters. This transaction is very useful to analyze a large set of purchase requisitions. In this way, you can identify which PRs are at what stage, if the PRs are approved or rejected, or these are converted into any purchase order. For detailed video about ME5A, please refer to our channel and see the detailed explanation of ME5A transaction in SAP. Thank you. COOIS Production Order Information System is used to extract detailed information about production process orders. Order header details, operations, components, confirmations, costs. It provides flexible reporting to production planners, shop floor controllers and manufacturing excellence managers. In usage, it generates order lists based on filters, order status FAQ, operations overview, component/material consumptions. It analyzes confirmation data and cost track costs. In tips and tricks for COOIS, use variants for quick reporting, dynamic selection, Shift plus F4 to access additional fields or material group, production line, etc. Output grouping, choose between order header, operations, components, cost and confirmations. Export to Excel ALV grid control to report and originate data. Status profile filtering, select orders by system/user status. Today's question is about CS03 transaction. It is used to view bill of materials for any material. It is used to check structure, components and quantity. It is useful for production and planning checks. Its limitations include it can display only you can view one bomb at a time, and its access depends on authorization. In tips, you can compare versions via alt bombs. You can pair with MM03 for full info. You can export list to Excel. You can use multi-level view for deep check. In FAQs, can I edit in CS03? No. For change and create bombs, you should use CS03. To see all bombs, you can see if change records is available. Multi-level view is available. Yes, it is. For detailed video about CS03 view, please refer to our channel. IW31 transaction is used in SAP to create maintenance orders for plant maintenance. First question is, what is the purpose of the IW31 transaction? It is used to create different maintenance orders. Can we create different types of orders? Yes, we can create both preventive and corrective maintenance orders. Which maintenance activities can be scheduled? Routine, corrective and inspection activities can be scheduled. For detailed understanding, please see our video. What is IW38 transaction in SAP? IW38 is used to change work orders in a list. Its usages include mass change of multiple maintenance/work orders. It can update dates, priorities, system status, etc. In tips, you should use filters to narrow down orders before mass change. Always review before saving. Changes affect all selected orders. In most asked questions, can we create orders in IW38? No, it only changes existing ones. Can we change dates collectively? Yes, it can be done via collective processing. For detailed explanation regarding IW38 transaction, please see our detailed video. Thank you. Today's question is, what is IW39 transaction in SAP? IW39 transaction is used to display a list of work orders. Its purpose includes view and analyze multiple maintenance/work orders at once. Its benefits include quick overview of order status, costs and operations. It is easy to filter, sort and export orders. Its limitations include it displays only, no direct changes can be done. It has large database that can make it a bit slow. The tips to use this is, you can change the dates on multiple orders by using collective processing through menu, order, change and collective. Please see our detailed video on this topic. Today's question is, what is MM03 transaction in SAP? MM03 transaction is used to display material master. The purpose of this transaction is to view material data across all views, basic, sales, purchasing, accounting, etc. Its benefits include provide centralized material info. It helps in verification without editing. Some of its limitations include it displays only, you cannot do any changing. It can be complex for beginners. Today's question is, what is IP30 transaction and how it is used in SAP? Answer is, IP30 is a deadline monitoring for maintenance plans. It automatically schedules preventive maintenance orders. It runs manually as a background job to generate due maintenance calls. Please ensure timely execution of maintenance tasks without manual tracking. See our video for detailed expression how IP30 is being used in SAP and how to master it. Today's question is, how to extract all BOM data in SAP. First method is CS03 to display a BOM. It is used for one material BOM at a time. In structure overview and settings, you can choose single level or multi-level BOM, and you can show or hide subcomponents, quantities and units. There are some other SAP transactions like CS11, CS12, CS13 and CS15. There are some different mass data extractions which are recommended like SAP tables, STPOs and MEST. And the other best practices for full BOM extraction are usage of CS12 or CS13. If you want your BOM structure with complete details, use SOV SC16. If you want a flat Excel extract of all BOMs. For large companies, build a custom ABAP report for regular BOM exports. So in this way, you can extract all BOM data in SAP through these options which are being explained in this picture. Thank you so much.